Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to create animated textures for Minecraft using Photoshop. You can actually use any whatchamacallit. You can use any paint program you want. Well, so far I think paint.net and this works quite well. I don't know about paint. I mean it probably works too, but oh well. Let's just get started. Now, the simple thing about this is that it's just one piece of paper to make it animated. You don't need to create a GIF or a GIF or whatever you want to call it. It's always just a PNG. Now let's start by creating a new piece of paper, or whatever you want to call it. Now, depending, oh god, whoops, just make one for now. All right, now depending on what texture pack you're editing, let's say you're editing Faithful, which is a texture pack that is 32 by 32 each square. Now today we're just going to be editing the normal default texture pack. Now the default texture pack has each block has the width and height of 16. And however, what we are going to do is make a 4-frame. Let's do a 5. No, just 4-frame. That's fine. A 4-frame animation. So we're gonna have 4 frames. So let's just start by putting a name on there. We're just gonna do like frame animated texture. And now let's hop on over to my calculator right here. Now what you're going to do is, since you have 4 frames, you're going to multiply that by 16, because that's the width of the block. And then you get 64. And hopping back, and then here in height you're going to have 64. Now once you do that, you will get this square. Now the square is 16 blocks on its width, and it's going to be 64 pixels down. And remember, we're using pixels here, not centimeters. Ignore the centimeter indicator here. Now to get started, we're going to find out how big our first frame is going to be. Now this is a 16 by 16 square, so let's decorate it. Just create a block or whatever. Now I'm going to make a block that's just going to be, let's make it green. Why not? We're just going to fill it up. What am I doing? Here we are. Oh god, that's a little bit large. Here we are. Green. And let's put a smiley face on there. Let's put a smile on that face, shall we? Here we are. Smiley face. Let's put some eyes on there. Why not? All right, great. Now for the next frame, we're going to do the exactly same, but let's make it blue. So let's choose the next frame. Get the next 16 by 16 square. I'm going to make that blue. And well, let me just choose blue. Oh, whatever. We'll just use red for now. But let's still choose blue to make up for the eyes. Oh, oops, wrong button. Yeah, that's chosen, and back to 1 pixel. How high is this? This is 4 up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the 5th one. Then we just do this and this. Here we are, and the other side. Great. Oh, whoops. Let's not do that. Now you could just repeat this step over and over again. we're not going to do that for now. We're just going to put this, hold on, deselect, we're just going to put 1 and just like a 2 here. Great 2. So essentially all you're going to have to do is however many frames you want. I don't know exactly how many ticks like each frame is. I guess it's one, I think it's 1/10 of a second. I don't know, don't take my word for it. But just experiment and you'll find out your correct time, or just whatever you want to do. Now let's test this out. Let's put this in the actual Minecraft bin folder so we can actually see what it actually is. Now we're just going to save this as a PNG. Now, where's the PNG? It's down here. Yeah, let's just call it animated texture to my Photoshop testing. Great. Now we're just going to minus that out. I'm going to open this folder right here. This is just where I put a lot of Photoshop stuff I use. Now this animated texture is just small, nothing big. Let's so now we have to find the folder. To find the bin folder in Windows, I think you have to hit run and choose app data, and then you'll find a folder called .minecraft, and you're going to open up bin folder. Now I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to show you how to do this on a Mac. And now we're going to go to, what is it? My name, yeah, whatever. Library, ignore the LIs here. It's called, the folder is called library. And then you're going to go to application support, Minecraft, and into the bin folder. Now, your Minecraft is going to be a .jar, like this right here. This is a jar folder. It's a jar file. Now what you're gonna have to do is, let's just revert that. Now this is what it used to be, and let's just fix that then. 1 and this is what it used to look like before. It used to be just minecraft.jar. Now what you're gonna want to do is hit just hit another dot and write down zip, and you're going to hit use zip, and now this is a zip folder. Now you're going to double click that, and that is going to create a folder called minecraft.jar, and that is basically a simple way to access the minecraft.jar. Now in here we are going to find a folder called textures. In the textures folder, we're going to look for whatever block or item you're going to have. We're going to use diamond block for now. Now, the diamond block is called block diamond.png. In here, we have the PS testing, Photoshop testing, or whatever you want to call it. We have the animated texture. Now this is called block diamond. We're just going to copy that and paste it right here. Now, of course, as you can see, I'm going to teach you now. I forgot to tell this earlier, but the top one is going to be the first frame, then this is going to be the second frame, this is going to be the third, and then this, of course, the fourth. And then it's just going to go back to 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Alright, we've renamed this block.diamond. I'm going to save this. I don't want to lose it. Just put it on there. Did I copy that? Copy, paste. Yeah, there we are. And we're going to drag this over here into the blocks folder, and it's going to ask you if you want to replace it. Just say replace, but make sure you make a backup if you ever want to revert back. Here's my redstone block. This is exactly what it looks like. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 frames. my older video had that block. Now let me just, oh yeah, we have placed this here now. It's the diamond block. So let's go ahead and launch Minecraft. Here we are, Minecraft. Oh, already launched. I have to quit and relaunch it. Log in. Let's put this in full screen when we can. No, not multiplayer. Single player. New world. Not a new world, but just that's what it's called. And here we have the block of redstone. I like it. It's fine. I don't use redstone a lot, but I know. Oh, here we are. The block of diamond. It's really quick. Like this. Oh my god, I'm getting a seizure from this. Well, that is how it works. It's really quick. So if you want to make a scare, I guess you're gonna have to make a lot of frames. But never mind about that. Oh wow, it's still blinking. That is messed up. Well, that is how you make animated textures in Minecraft. And this is 1.2.5. No, 1.5.2, sorry. And I think it's going to be like that for a long time. So, thank you for watching. That is a tutorial on how to create your own animated textures in Minecraft. In current version is 1.5.2. So, thank you all for watching, and see you next time.